Hey everybody, Rich from Sticky's RC. I'm back. Got my RCs unloaded, charged up a battery, busted the bomber out, and do a little bit of bashing around the leaves in the front yard, climb up my little slope in the backyard, and just have a little bit of fun after a long couple of weeks of moving hell. Anyhow, also want to remind you to join myself and the rest of the 11 Charlie team every Monday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Time over on the 11 Charlie YouTube channel. This week we got special guests, Michael Freebird and Sergio from Cali Crawlers. They do a live show on Instagram every Tuesday night, so you're not going to want to miss out on being able to hang out with them. We'll see you there.